All right, we've got a continuation of the bullish move off this C point in gold today. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So we can see that the bull wedge that we were talking about yesterday, there's a decisive breakout today. And notice that this is kind of an aside, but you see this type of behavior frequently before you get strong moves. If you see, we broke through some key resistance here as the last 2-day high, let's say. That confirmed the breakout of this small falling bullish wedge that formed following a successful test of support at the bottom of this large symmetrical triangle. And then you can see today, earlier in the session, there was another test, there was a retest of support around the bottom line. And then the buyers came in. Now we can talk about why the buyers might have come in because of Powell's speech and so on and so forth. But nevertheless, from a technical perspective, we don't really need to know why. We need to know what is actually happening, and that is what is happening. So when price backs up like that, retests, and then takes off, breaks back, and breaks out through a level, that's a very bullish signal, and that increases the chance it's at least getting up to this top line to test it as resistance. And we also have this interim swing high here at 3,409 as potential resistance, and depending on when this line is reached, those two prices may match. And at that point, that could give this price zone a little more significance. But until then, this 3,439 level is going to identify an upside breakout. As with any breakouts, they are subject to failure. So there needs to be further signs of strength continuously to further confirm strengths and leading to an eventual breakout above 3,500, the current record high for gold. And of course, a drop through the bottom line is bearish, and that could lead to a failure of this potential bullish pattern. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great weekend.